Hey crafters, it's Phyllis here to rescue you from gift-giving disaster with these adorable origami elves. Take a single piece of paper, do some easy folds, optionally make a quick card, and you are ready to save yourself from regret and offer someone some much-needed holiday cheer. You can make several of these elves right now from wrapping paper or the easy access free print I'm using here, plus download the card pattern in the description below. Let's get started. Alright, first run your piece of paper, 8.5 by 11, and cut two different pieces, one 5 by 5 and one 6 by 6. Let's start with the smaller. With the right side up, I like to have the stripe going vertically. Fold up approximately 1/2 inch. Just eyeball it. Don't be obsessed with exactly 1/2 inch. Do that on the corresponding edge. Now at the top, less than 1 inch, fold down that little triangle. Turn it over with the white side up, and now you're going to form the origami elf face and cap. Do some soft folding until you get it into the shape that you want. Takes a little doing, but finally you have a sticking up cap there and that little triangle white face. Optionally, fold down his cap. That's what I like to do, or just leave it sticking up. Turn it over, and we're going to create the little neck piece. So fold up about 5/8 inch and then fold most of that back down again so that you have that little tuck spot, and you've created his neck. And see the little face and the cap that you've created? Alright. Put the head aside, and now we'll deal with the body. And again, vertically facing, fold up 1/2 inch on one edge. On the opposite edge, fold up another 1/2 inch. Pick it up and fold it lengthwise in half, taking care to match those edges. You'll be glad in a moment that you did. Now fold in one long edge to the center. And you guessed it, do the same thing on the other side. Fold it into the middle. Now evaluate which side you like better. Which fold job did you do better? I like it better on the bottom there. And I'm going to turn it sideways, place my finger in the center, and fold a little triangle shape by bending back from the middle to that edge. You see how that's stuck out there at the side? That's perfect. Turn it back around, and now approximately where that triangle sticks out from the stripes, fold that whole piece down. That creates the body. You can see the arms. Here are the legs, and if you can't quite see what you've done, place the head right there, and now you can see an origami elf. Let's do some gluing. On the body, just a little dab at the bottom. Secure those little flaps there. Liberally glue a bit of glue at the top there and fold it down and really stick it into place. Stick it down. Take the head, secure the cap like this. A couple of dabs there. And if you folded down the cap, get a good glue spot there. Stick it down well. Check it all out. Now pull down that triangle neck and liberally glue that area. Then carefully sandwich it on the body so that the face chin overlaps the body a little bit. Really, really crease it on well. There you have it. You've got your first origami elf. Now you can decorate them, of course you can, with washi tape or make a little face or not. And that's what that looks like. Alternatively, I decided to run solid green on the back side of the stripe. My printer began to give out and printed blue. I was so dismayed until I realized that's really kind of cool. I liked the challenge and the diversity of that green base and the blue edge trim. This one deserves a little something extra. How about a mustache and beard? What do you think? On or off? On or off? Let me know in your comments below what your preference is. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and glue that mustache and beard on. I really only need to glue the mustache part. Because I want his beard to hang down a little bit freely over his chin and onto the body. Oh, I think that's sensational. That's why I think they all should have beards. I'm going to go ahead and make beards for all of them. Now here's the handy dandy card. It's just one-sided with half a pocket, ready to slip elf right in there. I've noted the artist in the description below for this fabulous Santa. And that'll do it. You are now ready for anybody who comes along who needs a little extra Christmas cheer from you and your origami elves. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video as a great way to show your appreciation.